I'm going to go into Diigo now and see about all those annotations I took, and I'm going to move these citations, or really these quotes, into my T-chart. So I really like this one, how it says, I'm going to copy it. The U.S. Department of Agriculture recommends a minimum of 3 cups of non-fat or low-fat vitamin D fortified milk or equivalent milk products each day. Fantastic. I'm going to go into my T-chart, and I'm actually just going to like pop it in there. I'm going to move it over. And of course, I want to remember where I got this from. So, ooh, shrink that down. So let's see about, I'm going to be getting the source. Oh, here. What was my source? The University of Rochester Medical Center. So I'll just write that down. And that was from the University of Rochester Medical Center. Great. Let's stretch that out. Cool. Let's see what else it has. What else did I like? How about this one down here? Intake of dairy products is linked to improved bone health. Okay, and this one says calcium is used for building bones and teeth and in maintaining bone mass. I wonder if I could combine those. So I'll go into my T-chart and I'll put those ideas down. And of course, when I got them in there, I want to make sure that I say where I got that from. And that was actually a different source, I believe. So let me make that smaller. Where did I get that from? All right, this website, choosemyplate.gov, which is the United States Department of Agriculture. Okay. That's interesting because the other one references the United States Department of Agriculture. Okay, so I've got some quotes here that are going to back up my thinking. All of this is showing the value of calcium, and we know that since chocolate milk has many health benefits and calcium is found in chocolate milk, I'm able to prove just how good that is for your body and for your health. I still feel like I need one quote that tells me that chocolate milk has a lot of calcium. I just think I need one more bit of information to back up my thinking, so I'm going to go back out onto the web and do a search for that. That chocolate milk provides calcium. And I need some information that's going to prove that. Sometimes I have to change my search terms a little bit. Milk provides calcium. Ooh, this is Harvard. We all know Harvard is a legitimate source. So let's see. Calcium in milk, what's best for your bones and health? What is calcium? Where do we get it? I'm going to skip down to there. So this talks about calcium, and let's do Control F. And I'm going to type in milk and see if it finds it for me. Oh, cool. Okay, it says it right here. For bone health, an adequate intake of vitamin D is no less important than calcium. Vitamin D is found in milk and vitamin supplements. Well, that's really all I need is that, oh, but that doesn't really say calcium, does it? Okay, I've been jumping around a little bit, but look at what I just found. Good sources, referring to calcium. So one, the body gets the calcium it needs in 2 ways. One is by eating foods or supplements that contain calcium. Good sources include dairy products, which have the highest concentration per serving of highly absorbable calcium. Bingo, that is what I need. So I have to kind of alter this a little bit, but it really does tell me what I want to be able to use for my article later. This has to do with the chocolate milk and the calcium. Okay, fantastic. I'm ready to take that. I'm going into Diigo. Here we go. And I'm going to use this about how dairy products have the highest concentration per serving of highly absorbable calcium. And I'm going to add that to my T-chart, wherever the heck it is. Here we go. I'll have to move it over to the side. And go back and see what the source was again, which was here, Harvard. Harvard School of Public Health. Okay, I'm ready to go. I have lots of evidence here, and now I'm going to be able to take all of that evidence and use it in my first body paragraph of my essay where I talk about calcium and how that is a health benefit. Stay tuned for that.